14 valence electrons. So this is the Lewis structure. That checks out. It has the same number of valence electrons as what you calculated in one, and each of them, always double check that each of these atoms have an octet. 2, 4, 6, 8 around this, 2, 4, 6, 8 around this. The second one is Cn minus. So this is a cyanide. Let's first determine the number of valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the carbon, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for nitrogen. So we have 9 electrons, but then we add 1 electron here. So we have 10 valence electrons. There we go. Oh, love for Valentine's Day. So we got Cn minus, we have 10 valence electrons. Then arrange the elements to show how atoms are bonded together. C and N, and then add a single bond to connect them together. Okay, we just did 2. Now 3, complete the octets of all the atoms by adding lone pairs. I'm going to complete this octet, and I'm going to complete this octet. Now, then 4, compare the number of valence electrons with the number determined in step 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This has 14 valence electrons. That's too many. 5, make double and or triple bonds that have the correct number of valence electrons. I'll throw in a double bond. So now let me do a double bond here. So then this is going to have 4 around it, 2 lone pairs, 2 pairs of lone pairs. So now I did the double bond, right? So these 2 are being shared here. 2, 4, 6, 8, carbon has an octet. 2, 4, 6, 8, nitrogen has an octet. Now let's see the total number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This has 12 valence electrons. One thing you'll notice is that every time you make a bond, you go from a single bond to a double bond, or a double bond to a triple bond, you're going to remove 2 valence electrons. So I'll add another bond. I'm going to make this a triple bond now. And so the Lewis structure would look like this. So maybe we shared those 2. Now we have a triple bond. 2, 4, 6, 8, carbon has an octet. 2, 4, 6, 8, nitrogen has an octet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 valence electrons. This one, that one checks out. This is the proper Lewis structure. Oh, sorry, it's not. I forgot to put brackets. So because this is an anion, make sure you put brackets and then put the minus charge. Don't forget that. Okay, we ran out of time.